What's going on, everybody? So yeah, as you can see in front of me here, I have this Cosori air fryer. I've seen a lot of videos about air fryers. I've seen a lot of people swear by them. I decided I wanted to try one. I am looking at being a little healthier on the cooking side of things, but to be quite honest, I don't really fry anything to begin with unless it's like on my grill. But you know, I just thought I would do a little unboxing here. This got pretty good reviews on Amazon. This is not a sponsored video by any means. This came out of my own pocket to purchase this, but I thought I might as well unbox it since I got it, right? So let's go ahead and open this thing up. And before we do, actually, it says on the side here that it comes with a recipe book with about 100 recipes in it, and just all the different things you can do with it. You know, fried chicken, roasted vegetables, T-bone steaks, coconut shrimp, and baked salmon. So let's open it up and see what's in the box. And you know, as I get used to using this, I'll probably do a few videos with it. I may test drive it on some fried chicken tomorrow night just to see how it does. But opening it up. Nice. First thing you see is like French fries on top. That is one thing I am excited about getting this, is that I can do fries, because I usually do my fries in the oven. I don't ever deep fry my French fries. But I'll coat them in a light bit of oil, and then I'll bake them in the oven for probably about 45 minutes to get that French fry texture, crisp texture. So anyways, first thing we got is some foam here. Just gonna set that aside. And immediately on top we have what looks to be the user manual. Let's see what's in here. Looks to be the user manual and air fryer recipe book. Yeah, it's actually kind of thick, man. Pretty cool. I'll be skimming through this and see what's in there. A thank you card and another thank you card. And then we have the actual unit here. See if I can get it out of here. Tilt it over a little bit. Alright. And that's that for the box. Okay, let's uncover it. See what we're working with. I got this unit also because it was a 5.8 quart, so it's a pretty decent sized unit. There are smaller ones like 3 quart size, but I wanted as close to 6 as I could, and this one had really good reviews, like I said, on Amazon. It has a little read caution on back sticker, so there's cautions on the back. This says hot steam on the back side here. I'm supposed to peel this off, of course. And on the front we've got more warnings. Just basically says there's more plastic on the inside of the unit, so I gotta make sure I get all the plastic out before I use it for the first time. So I can go ahead and peel this off. Beautiful, right? It's a little touchscreen display. It lights up whenever you plug it in. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Yep. See if there's anything inside there. On the top, you can see there's a little heating element and a fan. So that's how it circulates the air around, because basically these things work off of hot air. They just kind of, like a convection, you just kind of blow that hot air all around, gets the oil that you coat on the food real hot and kind of fries it in place. way less oil. We're talking like maybe a tablespoon of oil max that you use in most of the food that you cook in these things. I did a lot of reading on these. Here's the basket. Little plastic bag just slips right off. Yeah, I think. Here, push this forward. Push this button down. So basically the basket's locked in there. You push this little plastic tab forward, push down this button, and this basket pops up out of the actual catcher container. And there's a little cardboard insert in there. So pretty good size, man. I mean, it's a pretty good size drawer. And look at that basket. I mean, in comparison to the size of my head, it's big. I mean, it's a good sized basket. I would say it's about, I'd say about 8 inches by 8 inches. It's a pretty good sized basket. That's great for like frying chicken in it. Do some sweet potato fries or regular fries. Chicken wings. So I've seen people do steaks in them, burgers. I'll do most of my all my burgers and steaks on the grill still. This is more for like my guilty pleasures, if you will, with using less oil. So anyways, we'll put this back together and we will find a plug here and plug it in. So as you can see, it's off right now. It's got a little blue LED power button lit up there. I guess I just touch it, boom, everything else illuminates. It's very cool looking, very stylish, I must say, as far as like the way it looks. I really dig the style and look of it. It's got little icons on here like fish, shrimp, chicken. It's got a drumstick for chicken, steak, bacon. It's got a preheat mode. Now they do tell you to preheat them first and then pick what you're gonna cook. It has a snowflake icon. I can only assume that means defrost. It's got French fry icon, like veggies, broccoli, carrots, bread, and dessert. So I'm gonna hit the preheat button. Let's see what it does. And I guess I have to hit the play button. So now it's on. And I've gotten all the plastic and packing material out of this thing. So I'm not going to cook anything right now, but I just wanted to kind of like do an unboxing, show this off a little bit to you guys, and I will do a thorough review of it after I've had it for a little bit. But I mean, this is one of the most stylish looking hot air fryers I've seen on the market. And this one ran about $110 for it. But it's a great size. And it looks like the preheat's set to 400 degrees. It's got a 5-minute timer on it. So when this is preheated, we'll come back. Alright guys, we're coming up on the last minute of the preheat here. It's actually not too loud at all. It's actually, I wouldn't say quiet, but it's definitely not annoyingly loud or anything. You're not going to wake up a family member sleeping or something when you power this thing on and run it. I did look at the manual to make sure, and it does say you need to preheat before you actually like start cooking. So, and it does have those new manufacturer smells coming off of it right now, like you would expect any new device to have. And there you have it. It's ready to put food in and get cooking going. Let's pull the drawer out. It's piping hot. So yeah, this is awesome, man. And I guess when you pull the drawer out, it kills the power immediately for safety purposes. But yeah, that's it, man. So I may do a fried chicken video here soon, just kind of demonstrating it for you guys to see how it goes. I'm very anxious to try this thing out as soon as tomorrow evening. So anyways, I have a new air fryer, and let's hope it works for a long time. I mean, I don't have any issues with it, but from the reviews on Amazon and how cool it looks and just the whole touchscreen and all, that's a very cool air fryer. So I'm hoping to get a lot of good use out of it for those guilty pleasures on the food realm. So anyways, we'll see you soon, maybe when I demo this or do something else. So cheers.